It's amazing to me as a professional flight instructor how many thousands of dollars I see people spending on their flight training that they could save if they were just properly using home simulators.
Physical and mental.
Right.
And if the more you get to muscle memory, the less thinking you're doing about which button is it again.
Right, yeah, that is the worst when you're actually moving at 200 knots.
Yeah.
So if you can do that at home, when you can press pause.
Yeah,
that is awesome.
It'll really help you.
In today's world, you have tools like Pilot Edge to master radio communications. You've got the X-Plane course that Gleim put out. If you spend the time at home practicing with these tools and just become aware of everything that's available out there, you don't have to spend that time when you're flying in an airplane. I was blown away by what I saw at the FlightSimExpo.
I was really impressed with the size of it. Like, the sim community is huge.
It's enormous.
Don't miss it. I'll be there. FlightChops will be there. We're going to have a panel of experts discussing all sorts of things related to simulators. For my part, how you can save money in flight training using flight simulators. FlightSimExpo is the place to be.